At Molnify, we let you turn your Excel models into web applications. Among the customers we have, the use cases that they use Molnify are very different from each other. We have everything from pricing and ordering tools, which is especially good if you have very intricate pricing. We have ROI applications, we have financial model applications, we have CO2 emissions applications. A few customers, they have apps for safety and security checks, and Molnify's customers comes from industries from all over the place. We have customers from the telco industry, from the insurance industry, we have the manufacturing industry, energy sector, the entertainment industry, and medical industry, to name just a few. One thing all of these customers have in common, though, is that they have had an Excel model or few that they have used within the company or with customers. Now they have turned that Excel model into a Molnify application with Molnify. So why Molnify? Well, when you build a Molnify app, you do that in Excel. You use regular Excel functions. Molnify actually supports over 200 functions in any formula combination. You don't have to download any add-ons to Excel, and you don't have to learn any semi-programming language. Regular Excel skills is enough to build tailor-made software for your needs. This means that you don't have to involve external IT. If you know Excel, you can create any kind of software, and all those great ideas can become a reality. We hope that you feel inspired by this and that you have a look around our webpage. Maybe you want to check out our use case section where we talk about different use cases for Molnify apps. Or why don't you head on over to our customer success stories page where real customers tell their story about their Molnify apps. Creating Molnify apps are quick and fun. And should you need any help, don't hesitate to email us and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.